Hey everybody, hope you're having a great day. Today I'm making and canning tomato juice. A few weeks ago I cut the cores out of the tomatoes, put them in the freezer bags and froze them until I was ready to can them. By then I had several bags ready to can, so I thawed them out. And one reason I do this, if I need to peel them, the peels come off very easy when you start to thaw them out. That way you don't have to scald them and put them in ice water and peel one at a time. And they break down really easy when you warm them up. Here I've cooked them in the roaster oven for about an hour, and I'm going to strain off some of the juice from that before I run it through the Victorio food mill. Here, Daniel is helping me run it through the food mill. I don't have to skin mine because the food mill takes the skins and the seeds and all out. Here we're draining the juice from the sauce. We'll have a video coming up for that. I do this so all the juice is not wasted when you go to cook down your sauce. Here is the juice and the sauce that I got off of those tomatoes. Next, I bring the juice to a boil. Next, I will add 1 teaspoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice to my quart jars. You can use citric acid. Instead of lemon juice, you could use citric acid. It's a half a teaspoon per quart. If you're doing pints, you use 1 tablespoon of lemon juice or a 1/4 teaspoon of citric acid and a half a teaspoon of salt. You don't have to add salt. You can leave that out if you don't want salt. There will be a link in the description for the recipe. You'll need to fill your jars to 1/2 inch headspace. Wipe the rim of your jar. Put on a lid and a ring, fingertip tight, and put them in your canner. I water bath can for 45 minutes. If you're below 1,000 feet or below, you can for 40 minutes. Thank y'all for watching. Hope you have a blessed day.